Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my, this time, 2,962nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscars. Good day, traders. This video is going to come at you early today for trading Thursday night through Friday because I've got meetings this afternoon with Technotainment Streaming Media, Niall Henson, and we are going to be presenting a token, a CAST, C-A-S-T token, that my Omniacs will have a chance to participate in. Not yet. Let me have my meetings today. I've been working on this and building it for the last couple of years. Now we're getting ready to launch. I'll tell you all about it in the next few series of videos, but be ready to get involved with Oscar and the token of our own, kids. More about that in the future. So, we've got a green Omni for trading on Friday. That's August 29th, 2025. Please remember how risky trading is. Please put your stops in first. Never trade without protective stops. Trading is a risky game. And I'm going to say this. I am taking a bow for these fantastic calls I've been giving you all week long. My goodness. Omni tells us last week, don't go short down here, even though it looks so dangerous. Wall Street is watching, right? It explodes. Then Omni says we're going to have a holiday reversal. We have a down day where we actually sold and made a few points. Omni immediately turns green after that, and look at what's happened. Up, up, up. I mean, Omni has been absolutely perfect. Its arrow has been dead on this week. The last week of summer, the last week of the summer season, the worst week of trading usually, and Omni is just killing it. We killed it in Nasdaq today as well. Russell, Nasdaq we basically bought by the lows and rode that for almost 300 points. Thank you, Omni. Omni is just killing it this week, and we love it, and we're going to trade again tonight. We've got a green Omni. As you can see, the market is doing really well. It held. Wall Street was watching. It's been rallying since. Green Omni for trading on Friday. Look at your Russell as well. Look at this guy. Let's see. I think I have him saved here. Yes, I do. Remember, traders, I came out, 4 weeks ago with a series of videos. And in that video series, I showed you inverted head and shoulders in S&P, Nasdaq, Russell, you name it. It was everywhere. Well, look at how much it's grown since that video. We're out of the right shoulder and building a wonderful channel. This is a monstrous inverted head and shoulders, meaning it's a monstrous V bottom. You see the V right here, right? It is a monstrous V bottom. We'll darken that in for you for those who can't recognize it. And we have a long way to go, kids. Anyone who is telling you that the market is done, I don't know where they'd be getting that from. If this inverted bottom pans out, which so far it has panned out completely, we've got a long way to go on the upside, kids. We're nowhere near there yet. So I wanted to show you the two pictures I was looking at in the indices, but there's more. Check this out. Metals fans, look at gold. Gold's had a great 5-day tear. Exploded right from the lows. Wall Street's always watching. It held the average right there. Wall Street loaded up on that average, and away we go, and it looks like it wants to go higher again. This is a huge pennant. It's actually a huge pennant flag, but we'll just call it a pennant formation. And it is a bullish formation, which at some point, when it stops doing this, it will end up breaking out and doing something that looks more like this. That will happen. I don't know if that's happening on this run because, as you can see, sometimes you get up here and it just runs out of steam. But let's let the market tell us what's going to happen next. We can't tell it. We should at least expect it to get up here, and then we'll see what happens once it gets there. What else is out there for us, traders? Let's see what else is happening. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin. I told you Wall Street was watching. I put this video out the day this was supposed to happen. Bitcoin, this chart, the other charts that I showed you where Wall Street's watching and don't go short, and now the Omni's green, and we've been rallying since very smartly right off the bottom of the flag that we've been rallying from every time we get there, right? Hit, rally, hit, rally, hit, rally, hit, rally, hit. rally comes, right? That would make perfect sense. Maybe we get up here. Wall Street watches Bitcoin too. We've got a green Omni there as well. Traders, please like and subscribe to these videos. Share them around the internet. I love trying to help people. I'd like to get these videos in more hands. Australian Omni campers, I did not forget you. I promise. I've got all your applications. I've taken your phone calls. I've got all your emails. I will, now that I've received enough of your applications, I will be calling all of you Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This weekend is the Australian phone calls. I will be calling. If you're in Australia, be ready for my calls. I'll do it during your daytime. I'll try not to destroy your sleep, but you will hear from me. Listen, I've got all your applications. A lot of you want to come to the Omni Camp. I promise to call each and every one of you back, and we will get set up. I'm hoping this happens in the next 6 to 8 weeks. We will set it up. I'll give you an exact time. Be ready for my phone calls, Australian Omni campers. If you are from Australia and would like to join me in a 4-day session live in Australia, you need to go to omnibootcamp.com. You got to do that now before I start calling these back over the weekend. Omni Bootcamp. Go there, fill out your applications, let me know you're from Australia, and I promise you will hear from me and we'll create a date. You'll hear from me, and we'll get this Omni Bootcamp going. Traders, this is what I wanted to show you. Please make sure you're being careful. Buy the dips in these markets because that's what Omni wants us to do, and I always follow my Omni. I've got meetings this afternoon about that token. I promise it's going to be an insanely good token. We've already built it. It's a great utility, and you're going to love the trading action in it once we get it going. More about that in my next few videos. That's the CAST token from Technotainment. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, we put our stops in first. Then we say this to ourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Please like and share these videos. Leave your comments below and go to Omni Bootcamp now and fill out your Omni Camp application. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day trading. I will see you all in my trading room at livewithoscar.com.